You like that sound? I should advertise this as an ASMR video and then just be like. Hey, welcome to another What I Ate Today. What I ate today as a vegan in Thailand. So we are going to go for all the way up here. Rolled oats. See how high that cupboard is? 187. What's the hell you're supposed to reach cupboards that high? So to start off, measure out how many oats we need. And I'm pretty hungry, so I'm going to fill this bowl. So the oats are going to expand, so there's going to be like a mountain of oats there. We've got 100% unsweetened soy milk, no sugar. And we're going to chuck the oats in the pan. Put it on a medium heat. Pour in some milk. Always add more later. The reason I've chosen this knockoff brand here is because it says that the ingredients are 100% soy milk, no palm oil. Very important. So while that's cooking away, very slowly warming up, I've got a couple of bananas here. Just take the skin off, chuck them in a bowl. Cut myself a fork, make them into slices. You can use the back of the fork or the side of the fork for this. I'm telling you what you already know, like as if this is some Delia Smith cooking program, but it's not. Like, I'm just showing you what I'm eating. I'm not supposed to be teaching you anything like how to chop bananas with a fork. What a ridiculous situation. Then just mash them up. I don't know why I'm doing that right-handed suddenly. I'm left-handed. There we go. That's a bit better. And then, because I'm probably pretty bad at this, I don't know, it's not a life skill that I think that is necessary. It's the efficient use of a fork to mash up bananas. The reason I'm using a pan to cook that is I'm just not the biggest fan of microwaves if I can avoid it. So if I'm warming up food that I've cooked the night before, I'll often use a saucepan or a frying pan to warm it all up because I don't know, I just prefer it. Maybe it's just a placebo thing, but I think the food actually tastes better when you warm it up gently over the heat instead of nuking it in the microwave, but that's just me. You do you, I'll do me, we'll all be happy. I don't discriminate, it's my life choice. Just like the veganism is my life choice. I'm not going to go preach. As the banana is looking more and more like baby food, and less appetizing, the oats have been cooking long enough that they're getting soft. Doesn't that look unappealing? Appealing. I'll show myself out, eh? Let's give that a stir. That's good. I reckon we're ready to go. Good texture. Chucking the bananas now. Just pour that in there. Yeah, that's a mountain of oats that I promised you. Don't call me a liar. I don't know what I'm doing. Now usually, when I was back in Australia, I used to put all kinds of stuff in here, in my oats. I used to have peanut butter, flaxseed, blueberries, just chucking in heaps and heaps of really good stuff. Unfortunately, I haven't got that available here, so I didn't buy it at the supermarket, so we're just sticking with the bananas. I like to wash up straight away because it just makes it easier before the oat resin and the milk just starts to set on the pan. Only takes a minute and all that starchy residue's gone, but like I say, I'll do me, you do you. Don't need to do it just because I'm doing it. Chuck that on so that we can have some coffee. The freezer here. Ignore the meat, that's my roommate's and mine. Share with 3 carnivores. Or should I say omnivores? They eat vegetables. So that's the coffee I've got. Robusta. Really good coffee. The bananas make this sweet enough. It's really nice. Not overpoweringly sweet, like a sugared, like something sugared for breakfast, like Frosties or something. Although I won't turn down Frosties. Are Frosties vegan? I haven't had them in about 20 years, so I wouldn't know. So this is what I'm doing for dinner. I've got a rice stir fry with soy sauce, and in here we have red capsicum. We've got carrots, we've got fried tofu cubes, we've got kidney beans, cabbage, onions. What else we got going on there? I know there's garlic, there's, look at that, string beans. That is going to be delicious. Really good. Carrots are still crunchy because I didn't cook those too long. Tofu is really nice because I had that in soy sauce all on its own. So when it was frying, it was really taking on that flavour. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for another What I Ate Today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, maybe share it around some vegan communities, and let me know in the comments down below what you want to see. Do you want to see more street food, or do you want to see me cook a bit more? Now that I've got a kitchen, I can cook a bit more. So maybe if you just get down in the comments down below, let me know what type of content you want to see. So like I said, subscribe, hit the little notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. There's a new video every day, and I'm trying to do these What I Ate Today videos twice a week, Sundays and Wednesdays. I'm going to be doing some photography content and some vlogs, so I'm mixing it all up. Okay everyone, thank you for joining me. Have a great day.